Top 6 reason why you should not visit Japan as a tourist for Filipinos. Japan is one of the most popular dream destinations for Filipinos. Pero teka lang, baka hindi ito yung para sa iyo. In this video, I'll share the top 6 reason why you should not visit Japan as a tourist. Lalo na kung first time mo mag-abroad. So let's go. Number 1, super expensive cost of living. Unang-una, sobrang mahal. Kahit simpleng meal, nasa 300 to 400 pesos na. Tapos yung train rides, mabilis mauubos yung budget mo. Kung tipid traveler ka, baka masyak ka sa gastos. Number 2, visa requirements. Unlike other Asian countries na visa-free for Pinoys, sa Japan, kailangan mo talaga mag-apply ng visa. Kailangan ng requirements like bank certificate, COE, at minsan letter of explanation pa. Hassle kung gusto mo lang mag-spontaneous trip. Number 3, strict rules and etiquette. Japan is very strict when it comes to rules. Bawal maingay sa train, dapat tama magtapon ng basura, at may cultural etiquette ka na dapat sundin. Kung hindi ka sanay, baka ma-stress ka instead of enjoying. Number 4, language barrier. Hindi lahat marunong mag-English, lalo na sa probinsya. Mahirap magtanong or magbasa ng signs kahit may Google Translate ka pa, hindi pa rin 100% reliable. Number 5, overcrowded tourist spots. Kung akala mo peaceful ang sightseeing, think again. Sa Shibuya, Shinjuku, or Mount Fuji area, expect long lines and siksikan. Baka mas marami ka pang oras na ginugol sa pila kesa sa pag-enjoy. Number 6, weather extremes. Lastly, extreme ang weather. Summer, sobrang humid. Winter, super lamig. Tapos may typhoon season pa na pwedeng mag-cancel ng flights and tours. Hindi talaga convenient for all tourists. So ayan, before you book that ticket to Japan, isipin mo muna, kaya mo ba ang gastos, ang rules, ang weather, at ang visa hassle? Kung hindi pa, baka Japan is not for you. At least for now. Pero if you're ready, go ahead and enjoy. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel content.